Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market. I know everybody was expecting things to be green since the interest rate cut on yesterday, but I'm thinking it was already priced in, to be honest. They're gonna do another one next month, another one for December. Hopefully we can get. I know we're gonna get at least a 0.5 of both of those two together, 2.5 cuts. But be good. We can get a 0.75 by the end of the year. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel. Also, sometimes it takes 48 hours to price this stuff in and see how the market gonna handle it. Any urgent buys or sales? Let's start with Intel. I didn't buy or sell anything. Intel got up 31% today. I got good news if you didn't see my short. That's why you might want to subscribe to my channel, get the notifications. They merged, Nvidia merged with Intel and invested $5 billion into them. So now you got Donald Trump that it merged, got a 10% stake, and Nvidia merged and invested $5 billion with them. So they merging with Intel. That's the reason the stock is up. I'm up 48%, but I'm chilling. Intel got a 52-week low. Is probably low. High is probably low though. 33.43. It's gonna make probably new 52 weeks highs probably about every week, a month. Being that they merged with Nvidia. um, what else was it? CONY Coney overnight. They had the ex-dividend date yesterday. They got down to like 670, was 679. I brought about 100 shares. Got my average cost of $7.80. Probably gonna sell those shares when they get up to probably about 734, 735. Get it back. Rinse, rinse and repeat every month. Being that this a monthly paying stock, the day of the ex-dividend date, I mean the day before the ex-dividend date, just the record date, not the record date, the ex-dividend date be the day, really was 2 days, but you had to have your shares in by yesterday. So on that date in the after market, 24-hour market with Robinhood, you can buy the shares. It always tanks. So that's when I went in. I got notification last night, so I went and brought 100 shares. They paying 45 cents a share for this month coming up. Fiat paying 18 cents a share for the month. Y'all know this the short inverse of Coinbase. When Coinbase is up, like the day is up, Fiat to be down. When Coinbase is down, Fiat to be up. So that's how the inverse works. This down, you can see today $2.76. I don't load up on none of these. I just go buy a couple shares. Really, I buy shares in the other portfolio. I buy them and share them and sell them. I'm sorry. And this one, I just go buy like $2 worth every time it drops. That's all I really do with it. And then go down, put $2 on it just to lower my average cost. Probably get my butt whooped in this one because I used to load up. I had to learn how to trade it. At average cost of $7.18, so I'm down, which ain't no biggie. Ain't tripping. I can just stop buying, just reinvest the dividends in another play. AMDY. Got down to $7.15 today. They got a weak dividend for this month. I think it was like 20 something cent a share. It wasn't all that strong. But that's part of buying, especially the single yield backs ETFs. But still not bad. I mean, 20 cents a share for a $7 stock. I mean, that's why I say, you can load up. You just got to know when to load up. Not 33. Just want to get $3, man. They ain't trying to go hard in this one. Trust me. I do it in my Weeble portfolio. I can sell these. I'll be able to sell those shares that I buy. PSEC got down. It was 274 when I did my watch list. Must have came down some more. This definitely getting this butt stomped, man. But we're going to see what's going to happen. I got faith in this one. I've been trading this one for the longest. And we're going to see what's going to happen. I'm not going to give up on this one. Like I said, I'm going to swing trade it. And it's a dividend play, but I will be swinging it because it's not the same stock it was before. And that's what this one BDC I'm probably going to be getting rid of. ORC, 12 cents a share a month. Then it's got down to 707, 708 today. This is definitely one I'm coming down in. Especially at these prices here. This easily go back to 726 or higher. Like I say, man, the interest rates, I think they was already priced in. Everybody just want to see. But if he did not do it, this market would have tanked. I put a buy order in at $14.73 here. I done got $5 worth at the market price. I'm gonna get another, not sell. Get another $3 while I'm online with y'all. See, at these prices, this gonna go back above the $15 mark, probably at 16 bucks. This a good swing trade. While you waiting on it to hit that selling point, you're gonna get that 24 cent a share month dividend. So you can have one for a long-term play, something you're gonna keep forever. Then you can have one that you can swing. This USOI already got 20 bucks of this. They paying a week dividend, 58 cents a share for the month. Last month was 78. Month before that, 2 months was $2 and something. But you might just want to look at what it pay yearly per share, and that'll give you a better thought on it. Kraft Heinz is up, but still cheap. It's definitely another one I'm going to get out of. I'm going to do a lot of cleaning up. I'm kicking myself in the butt on this stock here because I forgot to set my stop loss. I could have swore this got up to $1.17 and it's back down to $4. They say AI, somebody went online and printed a fake AI news. Some good news about it. Then they took the news down and everybody's selling off. I should have got my butt out. I'm at 42 cents. I should have got out. They got a 52-week low of $2.44. I was going to hold this to at least $1.50 before I start taking profits. When you got those many shares, them little 50 cents matter. I'm trying to get better at having ice in my veins on certain plays, especially with that one that is a dividend stock. So, but like I said, interest rate cuts coming. This is a REIT, so might be something just to hold man, the last name of the stock is Foreman. Why it's not coming up? When I hit Brown, it come up though. Brown-Forman, liquor company. Getting out of liquor stocks. I sold Bush Liquor, one of them liquor companies, the other day. I took my little bit of profits I had and ran. Brown-Forman, another one to come on down in for y'all. I'm making my way out of it. But if you want to get into a liquor company, it's one to get into. 3.27% dividend yield, 52-week high, $49.89. You got about $22 worth for upside a share. 52-week low, 25.53. Market cap, $13.08 billion. Got ticker FLO, Flowers Food. They're going lower. My average cost in this one. Got some today. Another one I'm going to exit. I'm just taking advantage of these dips. When they squeeze, I'm going to be out. And I'll let y'all know, penning it float, 10.2 cent a share a month. I like to buy this at the $8. I mean the $10 and under range. Sorry. SCHD still trading in a sideways pattern. I got over 100 shares in another portfolio, 27.46. I'm at 27.14. Taking advantage of this $8 and under mark. Got this on $1 a day recurring investments. I'm just piecing that there together for the long-term run. HRZN. A lot of people selling out of SCHD. Say they're not getting the price of appreciation they've been hoping for. Horizon Technology, 11 cent a share month. 6.59 a day for the low. This should easily go back above the $7 mark. USOY. Got down to $8.08. This always dropped the day after the ex-dividend date. It's paying 9.7 cents a share for the week. I thought about loading up here, but in this portfolio, I don't. I brought $20 worth already today at 80809. I just dollar cost average on into it. I'm thinking about going to get me 25 shares. I'm gonna see in a second. DEO, Diageo, down to 98.16, was 98.21. I went and brought some of this today. Another liquor company. You know, they got tariffs and everything going on too. A lot of people not drinking the way they were before. 52-week high, $142.73. Give it another month or two, that's gonna come down. 52-week low, 96.45. Dividend yield 4.14%. This gonna be a stock you're gonna have to hold. If you in it, you can sell in the loss. I don't do that. I let the company come on around. I mean, it is a sin stock. This one here, I'm very disappointed at. A lot of people selling 3.5 cents a share a month. I'ma ride. This always played. Always played above the $3 mark, 3.25ish. So what I'm about to do here, see what I have. How many shares I got? 2181. I might round it to 2200 and just stop buying and reinvest the dividends every month. So that's one thing about a monthly dividend play or dividend play in general, especially ones with the higher yield. You're gonna take more risk with it, but get how many shares you want and just reinvest the dividends. Ain't got to be into that. You can always do it in another play also. Two Harbors, definitely another nice REIT to have. I'm going to slim down on the REITs, just letting y'all know now. Let's look at the market cap on this one. Got over $1 billion, so it make my little cut. WEN, Wendy's, another one getting beat up. This always been a swing trade stock. Like I say, the economy changing. Companies not making money the way they were before. I'm just going to get me a share every day of it. And once it squeezed about $10.50, I'm selling all these shares. No, I ain't holding it to no 16 and all these numbers people think it's going to hit. It might can. I just think the food industry is done for, to be honest. I never been big on the McDonald's stock. I've been sold that a long time ago and got out. Like I said, when people run out of money, first thing they're going to stop doing is going out to eat. That's why I put my money in Costco and Walmart. Walmart is definitely one of my bangers. And buying a lot of bank stocks. ETF. And I gave y'all this before. Let me give it to you quick. XLF. When people need money, they're going to go to loans and credit cards. You can get this one ETF and get access to these top 10 holdings. These are top 10 right here. Berkshire, Visa, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, American Express, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, MasterCard, and JP Morgan Chase. Definitely one I'm buying. Another one I just learned about, SPMO. I got this in my Roth IRA, $1 a day recurring. It's a momentum ETF. Top 10 holdings: Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla, Walmart, Netflix, Meta, Broadcom, JP Morgan, Chase, Palantir, and Costco. So to give y'all that, let's go check our traps. That's the end of my list. We can get on out of here. Everybody get on with their day. OPI, you let me down. This AI, hell, man. How you gonna make a fake news thing, man? I should have got my butt out. So I said, no, it's gonna go to that $2 mark. I said, I know it's a lot of people that's upside down in this play. Probably got a average cost of $4-5. So I know they're gonna put some money into it and ride it up. As soon as it's gonna get up, that was gonna get out. Comcast, another one I'ma dump. Like I say, ain't nobody doing that with no cable anymore. Everything on streaming. One time I had to go in there and get a new internet modem. They say they just gonna stick to the internet and the get rid of that cable stuff. They gonna stick to the internet with the streaming and the cell phone service. And they gonna get rid of and the security part of it. And they getting away from all that other stuff. Then look at TELUS. This is a Canadian stock. 7.18% dividend yield will make it stand out. Let's see if you pay the ADR fees. Yep. See 14.56 shares, 0.26 cent a share. Or 26 cent a share quarter. Total withheld is 67 cents out of your $3.79. Now when you do your taxes under miscellaneous, under the miscellaneous 1099, you're gonna be able to write off all the misheeld fees you done paid for those overseas or out of the country stocks. So get ready to know that. That's the only hold up with them. But I just don't want to deal with it, period. I'd rather just keep all my money in my pocket. Like I said, it's not difficult when you're filing, just letting you know what's going on. Starbucks, $19, I'm up. I thought about getting out of that one too. Well, they say this got some a brighter future. It's already bright. IVR. This another one I need to be coming down in. Need to get rid of this position because I got one already in another portfolio. Let me put this one down. Like I say, these REITs, I don't think real estate gonna catch a little bit of hell for the future, man. And I just don't want to be caught up with it. Like I said, I'm gonna cut a lot of my REITs and BDCs. It's Goldman Sachs BDC, nice, like 14% dividend yield. Let's go check that out. 13.69, 52-week high, 1450 low, 54 with a low of 951. Got Two Harbors. DISO diesel. I need to come down in this one. 1301. Let me step it up a little bit. Now I was getting $5. We do $8 or $10. They knock that on down. Got ARR, XOMO, Exxon Oil. These pay out monthly. Think dividend yield between 30 and 50%. You know about my FSK been getting whooped last couple of days. When I tell you I don't load up on them, I just do $3 here, $5 here. As long as my average calls, the price go down. When it goes on this run, I don't bother. TSLY trading above $9 should get a good payment. I sold like 26 or 36 shares in my other portfolio at $8.94. The reason I did it was because the rinse and repeat. So when it goes back down, if Tesla does, I can buy back in and lower my average cost. I'm gonna buy 36 shares. This one here on a little tear now. In the past, I brought a bunch of shares at 16.10. It's in one of these portfolios. It was 25 shares at 15.96, 25 at 15.90. That's 50 shares, 15.96, 15.97, 15.96, 15.96. So that's 50, 75, 125, 150. I brought at 15.97, 15.96. I like this for a long-term play, but I'm thinking about selling some of them to rinse and repeat, because it's going to come right back down. I already know the play of this. So that's what I'm thinking. But then it's a nice thing to reinvest your dividends too. So especially for the income. That's why I say when things get up, man, you just reinvest the dividends. Let's see, USOY. Another $3 worth, 809. All right, let's look at the Dow real quick. That'll be it for me today. I gotta hit that the OPI. That one got to go back up, man. I got 4,778 shares, man. I was counting on that one. I said, man, this thing here go back to $1.50. I'm taking profit. That was my not get out, but take profit mark. Then I didn't set my stop loss on it. So I said this gonna be a life changing stock, even at 2027. I said, boy, this thing here gonna end up doing something. I'm hoping somebody just gonna merge with them and bail them out, but we're gonna see. All right, that's it, y'all. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money.